Hello from Strandbadet in Tyresö, out on the Baltic Sea. This is a super nice sandy beach that has even rental for kayaks for you to explore the Baltic Sea. And there's even a jetty that I'm heading to right now. And large green area with beach volleyball court. Yes, it is 3rd of May and we have super sunny day throughout the whole day. And it's time for beach adventure number 23, I believe it is, or 24, I'm not really sure, but you can see it in the description of the channel, of the this video obviously. And yes, it's one of the closest sea beaches that I have to my home, around 18 kilometers located, and I have used finally my cube bike to get here. Let me show you as I'm walking through this nice sand, and I'm gonna give you a closer look to the green area as well. Yep, there's my cube. It was time to take it off for the first spin of the season. Nice. Now let's get ready to see what is the temperature of the water here in the sea. Yesterday on the other side in Nacka it was 5 degrees Celsius, so I'm assuming it's gonna be similar over here, but let's see. It looks like it's gonna be cold despite being a nice and sunny day. So right now we have 16 degrees Celsius right here, but the maximum will go up to 18 in Stockholm. But obviously along the coast of the sea it's a bit chillier because of the wind and the open sea, of course. This is a nice jetty and I prefer the jetty over the sandy part. We can see Erstavik on the other side, where I have been for 1st of May 2 days ago. Very nice jetty, very nice. Okay, now I need to choose which side, and if I'm not mistaken they have made the jetty a bit more wider since last year I was here. It looks improved, or am I just hallucinating? I can link the video for you to decide if it's different or not. Okay, let's then measure the temperature in the water first before going in. But the water looks amazing. Look at that. It's marvelous. I see the temperature already going down so fast. Let's see. It's gonna be interesting if it is warmer here than 2 days ago. And the moment of truth, 6 degrees Celsius in the water, right? Let's see. Yes, 6 degrees in the Baltic Sea. That's what we're dealing with here at Tyresö Strandbad. Alright then, it's time for me to take a swim, right? It's gonna be amazing, but also cold at the same time, and it looks very inviting indeed. And I think that it's not that deep over here as well, so I will basically stand here No, no, it's deep. Okay, it looked like it's not deep, but it's a bit. It's almost at my height. Okay, are you ready? We're going down in 3, 2, 1. Oh, the sea is amazing. I can directly sense the salty water. The Baltic Sea is brilliant. Ah, whew. Okay, very cold. So, thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.